Hello, everybody. This is Kyle of Church on a Budget PH, and I'm here in my office today, and I'm very excited kasi I am going to unbox a microphone, specifically a vocals microphone by Phoenix Pro. It's the PM26 model, and if you are a church who is looking for a vocal microphone option, this may be the mic for you. So, check this video out. If you are new to this channel, then please go ahead and lay your hands on that subscribe button so that you won't miss any video that I will be posting soon. And please click that like button below if nakatulong tong video na ito sa iyo. So, shout out to the guys of Phoenix Pro who has sent me another item to review. This is the PM26 na microphone. Let's unbox this together kasi ang sabi dito, it's tuned for vocals and built to perform. So, let's unbox this together and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on this microphone while we do that. So, this is the PM26 na no switch na version. Let's unbox this together. Sige, open natin. Yan. So, when you open the box, another box. Okay, let's open this box right here. How do you open this? Okay, here. Okay, and then, there you go. First things first, na nakita ko is meron siyang pouch. Okay, this is used for the storage of the microphone once you begin using it. So, if you are a touring na musician or church kayo na mobile or even sa may sarili kayong building and all that, this is good to properly store your microphone. Okay? So, to protect it against elements, no? Moisture and all of that. So, yun. And then, what we have here is immediately the microphone. I-reserve natin to for later. Save the best for last. I'm gonna put that right there to see what's in the box. Sige. So, what I can see here is meron siyang microphone mount. And may adapter siya na plastic. I would prefer the metal one para mas sturdy siya. But, yan. It's a decent no na mount naman. Then another thing that's in the box is a microphone cable. So, pag binili mo tong microphone na to, kasali na to sa binili mo, may microphone cable. So, let's open it up and see how long it is. I'm gonna measure it with you guys para ma-discover natin kung gaano siya kahaba. So, meron siyang Velcro. This is good with this branding pa, oh. Phoenix Pro. Yun. So, let's see how long this cable is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. It's a 5-meter cable. Yan. That's how you measure a cable quickly. Here we go. The microphone, that's why you're here, is because of this. So, the Phoenix Pro PM26. Yan. Look at that microphone. It's color black. Okay? It has a branding dito. May logo siya and then it's name Phoenix Pro and then the model. I like it because it's not white. Okay? It's actually gray. So, that's a plus for me. Because, aesthetically, hindi siya makikita from afar. So, that's good. And then the hand goes here. So, you will not see any branding and all of that. You'll just see the microphone. And dito lang, sa grill niya, meron siyang nakalagay na dynamic microphone. I'm not a fan. Sana wala na lang to. But, yeah, we're here. So, yung build niya, it's not plastic. It's actually metal. Ito. So, mabigat siya. Yan. And then, it's XLR na jack sa baba is actually gold-plated. Yan. And that means, basta mga ganito, mga gold plate, it's anti-rust. So, hindi siya kakalawang. Very good. Okay. And then, it's a grill. Looks like a Sennheiser na grill. So, when I read its manual, it's a super cardioid microphone. This is the size of the microphone. To my hand, no? Here to my face, ganito. It's pretty standard. Itong width niya is 1.97 inch. And then itong length niya is 7.09 inches. It's pretty thin. It's easy to handle, ganun. Okay? It's not very bulky. And I like it kasi heavy siya eh. You know, it feels hindi siya parang laruan yung feel niya. So it's very very good. And it's super cardioid, as I said kanina. So bakit nagmamatter ng super cardioid siya? Kasi yung regular microphones natin like the SM58 is cardioid only. So that means yung pagsagap niya ng signal is pabilog na ganito. Pabilog. Ganun. So meaning, mas marami siyang nasasagap na tunog from this circular na pattern. Meaning, hindi siya focused. Supercardioid is pag ganito. Yan. So, supercardioid only listens to the signal that is in front of it. That means, kung vocalist ako, a supercardioid microphone will be advantageous for me kasi ang nasasagap lang ng microphone ko is yung boses ko at hindi yung background na noises. And that means mas malinis yung signal na papasok sa microphone. Just a note though, a supercardioid microphone also receives signal from behind. Yun lang yung parang disadvantage niya or con from behind. So, that means kung meron kang floor monitor sa baba, okay, sa sahig, ganito yung mic mo, nakatutok tong likod ng microphone sa baba. So, sumasagap siya ng signal doon. That means, meron ka lang disadvantage sa feedback. But, if naka-in-ears ka, tapos walang floor monitors or mahina yung floor monitor sa stage ninyo, your stage noise is very, very low, this is very, very beneficial for you. Its frequency response is 40 Hz to 16 Hz, okay? Which is actually good for a dynamic microphone. Now, 40 Hz, bakit siya good? Kasi pag ginamit mo to for vocals, nag-high pass filter ka lang din naman sa around mga 150, minsan nga umabot 200, 250 sa iba. I have seen some do high pass filters for vocals at as high as 300 Hz. So 40 Hz is a good enough, frequency to have for a vocal microphone. It's good to bear in mind na i-high pass mo pa rin yun. So it's okay. Now, for its high frequency, 16 kilohertz or 16,000 hertz. That is the disadvantage lang of dynamic microphones like this because you would tend to boost it high more dun sa mixing mo kasi yung frequency response niya dun sa highs is lower. Compared to condensers who have like really brilliant, bright sounds, dynamic microphones in general tend to be on the darker side. Yung weight niya nito is mabigat siya. It's 0.3 kilograms. Enough talking, let us do a comparison sa microphone na to. I'm gonna give a huge shout out to Donna, one of our singers, worship leaders here in church, who has generously allowed me to record her voice during one of our sessions para sa comparison ng mic na to. So we are using the Shure SM58 wired microphone and this Phoenix Pro PM26 wired microphone for comparison. Here we go.
Nothing else matters. Nothing in this world will do. Jesus, you're the center, and everything revolves around you. Jesus, you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you.
You be the judge what mic you would want for your church. Price point, the Phoenix Pro is cheaper than the SM58. The SM58 though is a standard microphone for in the industry. You choose what you want. For me, I have tried both, etong Phoenix Pro 26 and SM58. Handling-wise, they both feel good. I think the only difference lang is the way it looks because an SM58 is medyo round siya and it is smaller. This feels more like a Sennheiser microphone. Now you get to choose what microphone is good for you. Again, this is Caleb Church on a Budget PH that aims to help churches become efficient and effective. See you guys on the next video, and peace.